Millionaires don't look at the road the way everyone else does. For them, the journey isn't about reaching a destination. It's about how effortlessly the world moves beneath them. And this motorhome exists for exactly that reason. Before you even step inside, what defines this machine is what you don't see at first glance: an advanced multi-axle adaptive suspension system that glides over terrain like silk over marble. Every wheel works independently, reading the road in real time, absorbing imperfections, eliminating vibration, and delivering a ride so smooth it feels detached from gravity itself. Whether cruising highways, mountain passes, or long desert stretches, this motorhome doesn't travel. It floats. From the outside, its presence is unmistakable. Sculpted body lines flow like tailored metal, panoramic glass wraps around the upper deck, and the proportions feel architectural rather than automotive. This isn't a vehicle designed to blend in. It's designed to arrive quietly and command attention without asking for it. Soft ambient lighting traces the exterior lines as dusk settles in, turning the motorhome into a moving landmark rather than a machine. Step inside, and the transition is immediate. The lounge welcomes you first, not oversized, not empty, but perfectly balanced. Compact luxury defines the space. Sculpted sofas wrap around the interior with a relaxed confidence, upholstered in rich materials that feel warm to the touch. A single central table anchors the room, floating subtly above the floor with soft underlighting, while a minimalist floral accent adds life, without clutter. Everything feels intentional. Storage disappears into the walls. Lines stay clean. The atmosphere is calm, refined, and quietly powerful. This is a space made for conversation, reflection, and silence, whichever you prefer at that moment. Moving deeper inside, the bedroom shifts the mood entirely. Here, the design slows down. The bed isn't flashy, it's reassuring. A real, properly proportioned sleeping space with premium linens, gentle textures, and carefully chosen tones that calm the senses. Soft lighting glows beneath the bed and along the ceiling seams, eliminating harsh contrasts. The ceiling design itself feels architectural, wrapping the space in a cocoon rather than closing it in. This is not a hotel room on wheels. This is a private retreat that travels with you, night after night, city after city. Adjacent to the bedroom, the dressing area flows seamlessly as part of the same interior language. Full-height wardrobes sit flush against the walls, their surfaces smooth and uninterrupted. Hanging garments are softly illuminated behind tinted panels, while shelves hold essentials with precision. A vanity mirror glows gently, paired with a discreet stool for quiet moments of preparation. Nothing feels excessive. Nothing feels missing. It's luxury reduced to its most efficient, elegant form. The bathroom continues this philosophy of compact indulgence. Fully enclosed for privacy, it feels more like a boutique spa cabin than a motorhome utility. Matte surfaces, refined fixtures, and warm ambient lighting create a space where time slows down. The shower enclosure is sleek and functional, the vanity clean and understated, and the mirror softly backlit to flatter rather than glare. Every inch is used wisely, delivering comfort without compromise. Then comes the mini spa, one of the most unexpected pleasures inside this motorhome. A compact soaking tub sits seamlessly integrated into the floor, designed not for spectacle, but for restoration. Soft lighting reflects off calm surfaces as warm water surrounds you, turning the act of travel into a wellness experience. Whether it's after a long drive or a demanding day, this space exists to reset both body and mind. For moments when focus is required, the office area offers a quiet shift in energy. Integrated into the motorhome's layout, the workspace feels private without being isolated. A wall-mounted desk provides just enough space for serious work, while a comfortable chair invites longer sessions without fatigue. Subtle lighting keeps the atmosphere productive yet calm. This isn't a corporate office. It's a command center for people who run businesses, make decisions, and value clarity wherever they go. The kitchen brings everything together with effortless functionality. Compact yet complete, it features a built-in stove, integrated sink, and thoughtfully arranged countertops that actually feel usable. A two-seater dining setup with refined stools allows for intimate meals, quiet mornings, or late-night conversations over coffee. Appliances disappear when not in use, maintaining the motorhome's clean visual rhythm. Finally, the cockpit. This is where engineering meets confidence. The driver's area feels commanding but serene, wrapped in premium materials and intuitive controls. Panoramic visibility gives you a sense of control over the road ahead, while advanced systems quietly handle the complexities of such a powerful machine. This cockpit isn't about aggression, it's about authority, the kind that doesn't need to raise its voice. And then comes the truth about this motorhome. This isn't built for everyone. When it comes to pricing, this motorhome exists in a category of its own. It is not meant to be accessible, and it does not apologize for that. This is a vehicle created for millionaires, and realistically, for billionaires, who understand that true luxury is not about owning more, but about owning better. This is a private world on wheels. The price reflects exclusivity, craftsmanship, and the ability to move through the world without compromise. So the real question isn't whether you can afford it. The question is where you would go first if you were handed the keys today. Would you disappear into mountain roads, follow the coastline endlessly, or park somewhere quiet and let the world come to you? If this vision resonates with you, if this way of moving through life feels like the next step, then the journey has already begun. Reach out, explore what's possible, and step into a form of travel reserved for those who choose to live without limits. If this journey spoke to you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because this is where the world's most unbelievable luxury machines come to life.